At All Pro Roofing, we believe our commitment to quality workmanship, dependable service, and customer satisfaction makes us a trusted choice for flat roof repair. Mount Laurel, Township, New Jersey. As an experienced roofing contractor, we provide expert solutions for flat roofs, including leak detection, storm damage repairs, preventative maintenance, and complete roof restoration. Are you looking for a roofing contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Roofing. Do flat roofs require internal or external gutter systems? Flat roofs can use either internal or external gutter systems, and the best choice depends on the building design, roof size, and drainage requirements. As an experienced roofing contractor, we provide complete roofing and drainage solutions, including gutter repair, gutter replacement, and maintenance from our trusted gutter cleaning company team. Can poor gutter installation lead to flat roof leaks? Yes, poor gutter installation can absolutely lead to flat roof leaks because flat roofs depend heavily on proper drainage to move water away efficiently. As a trusted roofing contractor, we provide expert gutter repair, gutter replacement, and professional installation services to ensure water flows safely away from your property. What is your service area? Our All Pro Roofing serve the following New Jersey locations: Moorestown, Medford, Mount Holly, Lumberton, Burlington, Voorhees Township, Haddonfield, Cherry Hill, Woodbury, Deptford, Cinnaminson, Pennsauken Township, Collingswood, Evesham, Delran, Burlington Township, Southampton Township, Pemberton Township, Burlington County, Mount Laurel Township, New Jersey. Where is your All Pro Roofing office located? We are located at 257 Ramblewood Parkway, Mount Laurel Township, New Jersey 08054, United States. Our phone number is 856-443-4993. Visit our website, https://aproofer.com/mount-laurel-township-nj.